pencil screwdriver set, 22 in 1. So pencil size. Wow, that is so cool. Metallic. Ooh, it actually spins really well. So if it's on my hand and I need to spin it and let go onto a screw, very easy to screw it on and off. Nice, it comes out this way, and all these little different screwdrivers. That is so cool. So lock it back in, pull one out, flip it over, and that is so easy to rest it on my hand and unscrew it, screw it back up. Awesome, I love that. And so it's not so sharp, keep that back on there, or I can just completely take it away. Oops, pulled it too hard. And it feels like on magnets. Yes, it is, holds on magnets. Amazing. There it is, pencil size, or like I would say marker size. Looks like one of those markers. Screwdriver, love it. Night Core 500 lumen Tiny 2 dual core intelligent keychain light. There it is. Wow, that is small. Keychain plug-in right here. Okay, how do we recharge it? On the side, USB-C. Wow, that is so cute. So it's locked and it says 2 times. Let's see if I can figure it out. There it is. Press and press again and hold it quick. So, and I love about it, I think there's a little like screen protect. Let me take this out. I love about this one, it tells me the level 4 42-minute light left, and then the press level 1, it is actually on, very dim, 1 lumen, 53 what days? Yeah, or 53 hours. There you go. So 2 days. On level 2, this is like what? I know the lumens on level 2, we'll look at it in a minute. 15 lumens level 2 is 7 hours, 65 lumens 2 hours and 19 minutes, 200 lumens is 42 minutes, and it's the brightest. That's amazing. And press and off. Very easy and quick to change the settings. And this side here, press and hold 500 lumens for 12 minutes. There it is. There is all the settings in this toolbar. And then press and hold. Let's see. Yep. Press and hold. There it is. Lock 1. Press and hold, unlock it. So very easy to lock, so that way when it's in the pocket I don't have to worry about it. That's it, it's locked. Now it's not going to turn on. It just tells me the batteries, but it's locked on lock 1. Love that flashlight. That is so cool, lightweight, will fit pocket really easily. Okay, got right here, everyday carry. Looks like a knife and a tweezers, keychain size. Okay, titanium. So nice, good tweezers, and the knife is looks like right here with a nail. Yeah, nothing serious but opening up boxes and so on. Maybe cut a rope, but it'll take a while, like a small rope. But the coolest part is easy to remove, like a splinter. Yeah, pulls on it really good. That is so awesome. So yeah, very comfortable with this tweezers handle. One of a kind for sure. Never seen a tweezers with a tiny knife like that. Pretty cool. CRKT, new knife over here. They have come out with new knives for 2024. Okay, there's a safety. Oh, interesting. So do I have to push on a safety and flick it? Okay, maybe safety is just to lock it, to unlock it. Let's see. Yeah, I have to press the safety and then I can unlock it. That is cool. Okay, right now it's on a safety. I cannot close it. I have to close the safety, then, oh, there it is. Then I can push that. So that way it does not lock by mistake. Okay. Pretty cool. Very interesting knife for sure. CLKT with a unique safety so it doesn't close by mistake. Definitely cool sound every time it closes. Comfortable, partially serrated, down to blade. There it is. And there's no safety to keep it opening it. And there's a thumb stud. No, I like the flicker better. And it's automatically locks it. So push this and push this to close it. Interesting. Got it here, a belt adjustable on the go. There's instructions. So the idea of this belt is grab on here and we'll tighten it up. Obviously onto the pencil will be a lot easier, but there it is. And it will sit right here into each other. Cool. And to release it, just press it and take it off. Super quick. Very unique belt buckle. I have seen this system on like snowboarding shoes and such. Now there's adjustable on this kind of belts as well, and it's easy to adjust, tighter, looser, the actual belt size. But if I need to adjust this part, release it and then adjust it and tighten it back up. Client tools. There's a little adjustable screwdriver. There's a whole bunch of like screwdrivers within a screwdriver. There it is. Well oiled up. I like it. Does this come out? I think so. I think it's supposed to come out. Oh. It feels like a one stone. I'm not sure. Maybe not this one. But yeah, it's a little like a wrench. You can go lock back in, and I could use that to unscrew some of the bolts. Sits in there really tight. Let's see. Yeah. Then this one will have to. Ooh, interesting. I guess either this way or this way. I could plug this in and make it a screwdriver. Take this out, use this screwdriver or another like bolt unscrewer. Allen wrench. Very well oiled up. And I can put this into here. And we have flat head. That is a very unique screwdriver. I love it. I can remove that and use it to unscrew the bolts and put it back in. Different screwdrivers. Wow, I like it. One of a kind for sure. Never seen anything like that. Victorinox climber back. So let's open it. As usual, wine screw. A whole bunch of sit inside here. There's like a punch knife and there's a hook right here, and there's a knife. Those things are so comfortable. It's like a perfect camping knife. There's a smaller one, bottle opener, can opener, screwdriver, and there's the scissors. Let me close some of this. There's the scissors right here. No, that's not. Oh, there it is. So sometimes I got open one to access to the other one. There it is. Very smooth, easy to open. And there's assisted scissors, really big. And of course we don't want to forget about little tweezers and toothpick. Nice, and those are replaceable. Awesome, good size, Victorinox Swiss Army knife. I like that size, like for everyday carry and camping.